So in the previous video we wrote some code that can convert text into speech. Now in this video we will wrap all that code into a function so that we can use it again and again in our program. So let's create a function and I will name it say speak, and in this I will pass a parameter say audio. Well, I am passing this parameter because whenever we call the function, we will pass the text that we wanted to convert into speech in here. Now, let me copy the above lines in this function, and in the engine.say, instead of the text written this, I will change it to the variable audio. So now let's try to call the function below. So it is done. So now we will quickly save it and try to run it if it works or not.
This is Friday.
So it worked correctly. Now in the next video we will try to guide the date and time using the datetime function.